Hi friends, so this video shows how to install Sublime Test 3 in Ubuntu. So first we need to add this apt key. Just run this command. I will add this command in the description. You can copy from there. Enter the password. Okay, we successfully added apt key. So after that we need to add the repository. Just run this command. This command will add the Sublime test download.sublimetest.com apt stable. Okay, then after that we can run sudo apt update. Then we can run sudo apt install Sublime text. That's all. So now you can see now it's downloading Sublime test from this download.sublimetest.com apt stable path. Okay, please wait. Okay, it's downloaded. Now it started installing. Okay, installation completed. Okay, let me try to open this path. Just go to activities and search for Sublime test. Okay, let me go to help and about Sublime test. You can see it's a version number 3.2.1. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.